Dear learners, welcome to the course of ICT tools in online teaching and assessment. This course is of 10 hours online course which includes 4 sections. Section 1 talks about challenges of ICT education, online education. It includes not only the challenges but these sections suggest lots of solutions how we should overcome the various challenges faced in online education. It also talks about effective use of Bloom's taxonomy, session plan, lesson plan to increase the engagement of the students. Also it includes how we should develop online teaching pedagogy in context of type of learners. Once you understand this section, section 2 talks about a rich e-content development. In that, all of you will going to learn the 12 different techniques of making and video lectures. In that, you will going to learn with these tools to prepare your own video lectures effectively, how you should edit your video lectures, how you should compress that videos, how you should add the text in that videos, again how you should prepare animated videos. That has been taught in e-content development as in video format. Then as well as this course talks about PPT PowerPoint development, how you should develop your best PowerPoint presentations with a very good templates. Also it will talk about PDF words creations and various e-resources available to develop your e-rich content. Section 3 talks about once you created this online content, how you should share this effectively towards with your students. So this section 3 talks about LMS, learning management system. Then it talks about creation of YouTube channel, how you should upload the videos on YouTube channel, how you should create and how you should monetize your YouTube channel. It also talks about sharing with slideshare.com, again sharing with your Google Drive. After this, section 4 talks almost 13 different methods of assessment and how you should make assessment more fun, more interesting and having more engagement of the students. So it includes Google Form, Google Classroom, Kahoot, TestU, puzzles, then so there are so many tools that has been included in the section 4 which talks about so many techniques of assessment so that the part whether the students had achieved desired learning outcome that has been checked in the section 4. And at the last, this section talks about some of the cyber security tips for students and teachers when they are dealing with this online. So at the end of this course, all the learners should be able to remember these ICT tools, should be able to understand the process of how we should use these ICT tools. They should be able to apply these all ICT tools in the day-to-day teaching methodology in their sessions. At the end of this course, all learners is able to evaluate which tools perfectly suit to which kind of courses and create an effective online course with a strong method of assessment at the end of this entire course. This course will really benefits to all of you. I request you please go with this application for this course and enjoy this course and update your strong knowledge of ICT tools in online teaching and assessment. Thank you.